Hello everyone. Okay, so we are still on multiplication of whole numbers. And today we'll be taking multiplication of whole numbers by one digit number. And then we'll also multiply by two-digit number. Okay, let's look at few examples. Number one, we have 415 times 9. We want to multiply 415 by one digit number, which is 9. So let's see what we'll get there. Solution. We have 415 times 9. Please, I said in the introduction part of this series that one of the basic and one of the major things that you must know as a good student of mathematics is your multiplication table. You must have it at the back of your mind that you can recite it even without looking at the times table. Okay, so we multiply. Now take note of this. We use this 9 to multiply each of these digits. We use this 9 to multiply each of them, and then we start from the unit. Start from here, please. You don't start 9 times 4. No, you start with this 9 times 5. Okay, let's see what we have. 9 times 5, that will give us 45. 9 times 5 will be 45. So we have 45. What do? We write the 5, put down 5, and then we carry 4 to the next digit. What do we have next? So we do 9 times 1. So we are done with 9 times 5. 45. Write 5 and carry 4. 9 times 1, that will give us 9. And then we'll add the 4 we carried plus 4. That will give us 13. So 9 times 1 is 9 plus 4, 13. So we'll write 3 and then we'll carry 1. 9 times 4, that will give us 36. 36. And then plus this one, that will give us 37. 37. So that's the last digit. So we have to put everything there. I take it again. 9 times 5, you start from here. 9 times 5, 45. You write 5 and you carry 4. 9 times 1, that will give us 9 plus the 4 you carry, that will be 13. 9 times, so you write 3 and carry 1. 9 times 4, that will give us 36 plus 1, that will give us 37. Okay, let's go to number 2. Still multiplication of whole number by one digit number. So let's see, 60379 times 8. 8 times 9, 8 times 9, that will give us 72. Remember, we start from here. 8 times 9, that will give us 72. Right? 2, and we carry 7 up here to the next digit. 8 times 7, that will give us 56. 56 plus 7 will give us 63. So we write 3 and then we'll carry 6. 8 times 3 will give us 24. 24 plus 6, that will give us 30. Write 0 and we carry 3. 8 times 0, remember 8 times 0, anything times 0 is 0. 8 times 0, 0. 0 plus 3 will give us 3. 8 times 6, 48. So 8 times 0 is 3 plus 8 times 0, 0 plus 3, 3. Nothing to carry to this plate because it's only one digit here, 3. So we move to the next one. 8 times 6, that will give us 48. So our result is 483032. Okay, we move to the next part, multiplication of whole numbers by two-digit number. by two-digit number. So let's see what happens when we are multiplying by two-digit number. 562 times 35. 562 times 35. Let's see. So we start with, please, you have to pay close attention. We start with using 5 to multiply. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 2, please keep 3 first. You start with 5. 5 times 2, 10. 0, carry 1. 5 times 6. 5 times 6, that will be 30. 30 plus 1, 31. Write 1, carry 3. 5 times 5, 25. 25 plus 3, that will give us 28. Now we are done with using 5 to multiply. Please take note. We are done with using 5 to multiply. So we proceed to use 3. We are done using 5 to multiply. So we are now going to use 3 to multiply. Please take note. Now I'm gonna clean this. I'm gonna clean this. Okay, because this was the one we used for 5. Now let's use 3. Let's use 3 to multiply. So the same thing, 3 will multiply 2, multiply 6, and multiply 5. But the thing is, when we are using 3 to multiply, we don't start from here. We started 5 from here. So we are not going to start 3 from here. We'll start under the 3. I believe you get what I'm saying. So we'll start writing it under the 3. So 3 times 2, that will give us 6. 3 times 2, 6. Nothing to carry here. 3 times 6, that will give us what? 18. Write 8 and carry 1. And then 3 times 5, that will give us 15. 15 plus 1, that will be 16. Okay, so what are we doing here? The next operation here is addition. Take note, addition. So what do we have here? 0, 1 plus 6, 7, 8 plus 8, 16. That's 6 carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 6. That will be 9. And then this is 1. So when you are multiplying by 2 digits or 3 digits or bigger than anything bigger than 1 digit, you will end up bringing in addition into the operation. So our answer here will be 19670. Okay, so let's take the last one under multiplication by two digits number. Solution. Okay, so we have sorry, 660,981 times 73. What do we have? Okay, let's start. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 8, 24. Write 4 and you carry 2. 3 times 9, 27. 27 plus 2, that will be 29. 2 or 9, carry 2. 3 times 0, 0. That plus 2, that will make it 2. 3 times 6, that will give us 18. So we are done with multiplying by using 3. So we are going to proceed to use 7 to multiply. We proceed to use 7 to multiply. 7 times 1, that will give us 7. 7 times 8, that will be 56. 6 carry 5. 7 times 9, that will be 7 times 9 is 63. 63 plus 5, that will give us 68. So this will be 8 carried 6. 7 times 0, that will be 0. 0 plus 6, that will give us 0. Sorry, 6. 7 times 6, that will be 42. So we have 42 here. Okay. So our next step here will be addition. 3 here. 4 plus 7, that would be 11. 1 carry 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 6 carried 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 1 carried 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, that will be 15. 5 carried 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4, and then we have 4 here. Okay, so our final answer is 4,451,613. So that's our final answer. And that brings us to the end of our examples. So you have some activities here, 7 questions on multiplication by 1 digit and 7 questions on multiplication by 2 digits. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share to others. See you in our next video.